Hey everybody, welcome back to another issue of CommuniTips. My name is Beth Hathoot and my special guest today is actually me. Yep, I'm gonna walk you through a printer tip really quickly today. And we often find this on large packages that we're printing out and they suddenly stop in the middle of the print package and we're in a panic, trying to figure out how to get it to finish printing our document package. It's actually because of the page size in one of the pages in your PDF document. So let me cue up this little video here and I'll walk you through it step by step. Alrighty, so here we are in the middle of a print job. It's a 122-page package and it just stops. It obviously has not printed all of my document set, and I've noticed that I have a couple of blinking lights on here. Data and error are popping up, okay? If you look in that window, it says put paper in the MP tray. The MP tray is the manual paper feed tray. That's your clue that what you've got happening here is the page in your PDF set happens to not be either letter or legal. That's how we normally set up our printers. Tray 1 or 2 is letter, the other tray is legal, right? We don't have A4 paper. What happens is sometimes title or the lender will add a page to our PDF document package that's typically a fax or some other document that ends up in our file that is not the regular or standard size. Our computer and our printer see it as A4 paper and it says, nope, you don't have that in your 2 drawers, so now you need to fix that. Some people will go back to their printer, reset their print by PDF settings, and then go back and print the 1 page, and then go back again, reset it up and print the rest of the document package. I'm going to show you a way to get past this really, really quickly and easily. When you get this error, and it's likely will not pop up on your computer. If it pops up on your computer, it says your trays are empty, which they're not. There's paper in both of them, so we know that's not the issue. It's looking for a piece of paper that's not quite the right size. What you want to do is go to the face of your printer, pull open that manual feed tray. I'm going to open that up just to support my paper a little bit here. You're going to insert, if I can get it in here one-handed, a legal size piece of paper into that manual feed tray. Then you're going to come back up to the face of your printer and you're going to hit that green button that says go. It's going to take that paper in, print that odd-sized paper, and then continue to print the rest of the package. It's just that simple, guys. You don't have to do any tap dancing. You don't have to panic. Just put paper in that manual feed tray. And I recommend that you only put 1 piece of paper in there because it will try to print the next document on whatever's in that manual feed tray. If you have 1 piece of paper in that manual feed tray and it actually needs another piece, it'll still stop. You can put another piece in until it recognizes that we don't have any more A4 pages to print, and it'll go back to pulling from your paper trays. That's it, guys. Pretty easy. Yep, it's just that easy. Don't panic. Just utilize that manual feed tray and you should be fine. I hope this was helpful, and guys, we'll see you next time. Thanks so much for being here.